Struggling with inconsistent branding, overlooked errors, or formatting issues in your presentations? These small mistakes can make a big impact, and fixing them takes time you don't have. So, how do you ensure your presentations are polished, consistent, and on brand every single time? With Check for PowerPoint, you can review your slides in seconds, catching errors and ensuring everything aligns with your company's standards. Let's show you how. To check your presentation, navigate to Templafy and select Check. Check will run through each slide in your presentation to verify them against the most common rules of formatting and style. By default, the warnings are shown by slides, but you can change the view to display them by type and fix them all at once. And regardless of the view you prefer, you can increase the check sensitivity to uncover more warnings. To fix a warning, simply click on Fix. If need, you can always undo your action. When a warning is fixed, you can delete it. Now, let's fix the rest of our warnings. Check will verify your text for inconsistencies in hyphenation, punctuation, colors, object alignment, font sizes and styles, placement of objects on your slides, and much more. When you're done, it's always recommended to refresh Check one last time. With Check as your PowerPoint companion, you can spend less time formatting your slides and more time presenting your work. Thanks for watching. Open PowerPoint today and check your presentations.